Okay, so real bad ticking noise coming from the camshaft. This, I have the tensioner loosened up, but as you see, this is its full position. And right here, we got all this slack. I believe the noise you're hearing is that. In addition to what I was just showing, is if you push on that, the slack over here is now gone. I only have two hands, so I can't do it, but this is over here is now taut. So I took the tensioner apart and it was stuck in there about that far. I had to take a screwdriver, shove it into the end in order to push this out. All that there is in there is a little spring, and you got that. You just lefty-loosey, pull it out, push that out. I believe the sound that I'm hearing is this being the problem. If I can figure out how to correct this piece, then I won't go and buy another one, but if I can't, I'll have to buy another. Also, I found that when I first pulled this out, this piece up here was stuck and I was unable to compress this. When you push that up there, you should be able to compress it down. I was not able to do that with where it was. So I might have actually corrected the problem just right there. After having pressed this in and then push on this little tab here to release as much of that piston as possible, my tension is now much better. But we'll see if it lasts or if I have to replace it. This is the old tensioner, so I need to buy the replacement upgrade that they've made and see if that, I mean, that's probably a permanent solution versus this potential temporary fix.